Ever tried capturing the ocean's magic on canvas? Painting seascapes is like embracing the sea's vastness and energy. It's not just an art, it's a journey on a big canvas, even more epic. Watch Javid Tabatabaei take that challenge, turning a blank space into a coastal masterpiece. Dive in and enjoy his painting process.
Hey there! If you're vibing with Javid Tabatabaei's artistry in this video, you're in for a treat. Why not go a step further? Dive into his free online workshop, Create a Stunning Landscape in 20 minutes. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned artist, Javid's laid-back, step-by-step guide has got you covered. During the workshop, Javid will unveil some of his most sought-after painting secrets. You will learn to paint a sky that's pure magic. Get the inside scoop on choosing those dreamy sunset hues. Unlock the secrets to pouring emotions and mood into every brushstroke. Feeling the buzz? Jump in. Click the link in the top right of this video. This will direct you to the overview page, giving you a deeper insight into what to anticipate from this workshop. Need more deets? Check the video description. We're stoked to have you join the journey.